situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Tears and eyes. Should have been more smart about it. Should have cherished me. Listen.
Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is just gonna be a mini spend the evening with me, because yeah, I don't feel like doing a whole vlog. Like, I know it's been a long time since I did a vlog, but you know what, I'm just gonna do this mini thing, and I was just showing you 2023 new kitchen hoodies. New kitchen hoodies, baby, thank God. Because you know, when I started doing YouTube, you saw how my kitchen was. You saw it, and I was like telling you, Hori, I was telling you all that everything takes time, and with God's timing is very perfect. Like he will stand out, he will go all out for you when you're patient. So yeah, guys, I got a new kitchen. You know, you've seen a little bit of it there and there. So I decided with this evening vlog, I just wanted to show you the new kitchen. Okay, yes. God set the tone. God set the tone when we started 2023 with a new kitchen. Like, look at this gorgeous cooking space. So, homegirl's been cooking a lot. Okay, I've been cooking a lot because why not? Why not? New kitchen. Okay. It inspired the new chef in me. I was like, okay, I'm gonna cook now. Okay, I'm gonna cook like I wasn't cooking before. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready, and I'm just gonna go out on a walk with a friend. With somebody I know. I can say it's a friend. Somebody I know. Like, they just came to my house like, do you want to do something? And this and that. I was like, okay, I've been a little bit of an introvert. Let me just go out and get some air and see some people, and then I'll come back. Yeah, that's it. Hey y'all, welcome back. This is the finish. Like, I'm done with my makeup. Well, I just got back, and as you know, it is very dark, very dark. Yeah, I got back, and I'm so pissed. Like, where we went to buy some snacks, but then when we got there, the customer service was really, really bad. It was really bad. Like, I'm so pissed, but I'll be fine. And their food is pretty whack. I won't name places, but it was just. But you know, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, because I am way too pissed to pick up the camera. Hey guys, I am taking a last minute walk. You know me, if you've been an OG on this channel, I love taking walks, especially at this time, because it is super hot. It is summer. I don't know which season it is right now, but it is super hot. So I love taking late night walks, period. So guys, today I was filming a Get Better With Me, which will be already uploaded when I upload this video. I don't know what's happening, guys. Today it is full in the street. Like, it is really, really full. But I have been taking a break from social media just to get some time with myself and just to feed my creative juices. I feel like I need it at this moment, like, just to, you know, feed my creative juices. And I am working with my niece. We have a future vlogger here. It's just so great to see the young ones taking inspiration from me.
Look out of here, go somewhere. Gotta make that move, but somebody move. All I give, all I got. Gotta do what's best for me, baby, and that means I gotta. By the time you get this message, it's gonna be too late. So don't bother paging me, 'cause I'm in my way. Stick my low, my diamonds are close.
O baile vem abaixo, no seu coração balança. Segura esse soco no peito, que o castelo está em chama. A concorrência cresce, sabe quem manda a gente. Se liga quem tá do outro lado, e aqui a chapa é quente. O baile vem abaixo, no seu coração balança. Segura esse soco no peito, que o castelo está em chama. A concorrência cresce, sabe quem manda a gente.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up. I don't know why. Why is adulting so difficult, y'all? Why? Why? Who? Like, they should have prepared us for this adulting thing. Like, because this past 3 days have been like, yeah, they have been, I look crazy, but they have been there for me. So I only got nerves. Only got nerves. But you know what? I've been taking so long like to do the outro for this vlog. But anyway, this is my outro. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, because I see y'all be viewing. Y'all be viewing, but you don't be subscribing. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm just kidding, y'all. I love you so much. See you on another video.